Good morning. My name is Alison Rodriguez, President of the International Federation of Translators, the global federation of associations of translators, interpreters, and terminologists. And I'm glad to be here today to once again participate in the Translation Commons celebration of both International Translation Day and Indigenous languages. And it's been my absolute honor and a privilege to have been a part of every Translation Commons International Translation Day event. And I'd like to thank Jeanette Stewart and her team and all the wonderful presenters that have contributed to these events and made them such a success in marking International Translation Day. Because it's something that we at FIT are very passionate about promoting and celebrating, because it's our day. So from its creation in 1953, FIT has been advocating for professional translators, interpreters, and terminologists. And for over half of its 70 years of existence, FIT has celebrated and promoted the recognition of the 30th of September as International Translation Day. Each year, FIT Council creates an annual theme as a basis for the celebrations. And since 2017, the 30th of September has been an official UN International Translation Day to be celebrated across the entire UN global network in honor of professional translators, interpreters, and terminologists' contribution in connecting nations and fostering peace and global development, as well as in strengthening trust, mutual understanding between nations. So this year, in line with our global effort to promote the visibility of the profession for all languages, both signed and spoken, our theme turns to the future, to protecting the sustainability of the profession and the globe's multitude of languages that contain the rich traditions of our human history, a history that is contained within our memories as much as it is in our languages. Indigenous languages, with their role in intergenerational transfer of intangible cultural heritage and knowledge, will assist us in facing future global challenges such as equality in global development and climate change. But if only we could get people to be as passionate about protecting endangered languages as they are about protecting endangered species. So this year, our theme focuses on protecting as much as it does on celebrating, and it's translation and art worth protecting. So inspired by issues surrounding copyright, the year's theme is first and foremost focused on copyright, promoting the recognition of translations as original creative works in their own right, owed the benefit of copyright protection under the Berne Convention. But the theme also reflects on many other areas, such as protecting the future of the profession, protecting translators' moral and material rights, and protecting working conditions. Copyright-related issues extend far into all areas of the profession, including the use of translations in the cultural sector, literary translation, publishing, and legal translation. And with the development of AI and the expansion of the digital sphere, we're also concerned about the implications of copyright for translators, interpreters, and terminologists, because these have increased exponentially. We're more concerned now about attribution of translations, for example, in the digital sphere than we've ever been. So in addition to allowing translators to receive recognitions for their efforts, this attribution clearly signals the source of a text, identifying it as either human or AI-generated content. Now, AI is undoubtedly going to be a part of the future, and there's no reason that it cannot sit comfortably alongside our heritage, our tradition, and all the world's cultures and languages, as long as we get it right on the use, on the ethics, and on the implementation. So our profession is important in preserving the past and shaping the future. So it's pleasing to see that the UN is considering a draft resolution on multilingualism. It seeks, among other things, to explore additional technologies with appropriate quality controls, compliance with relevant resolutions to address multilingualism and accessibility, to embrace the opportunities offered by new information and communications technologies, and to ensure that technological infrastructures and support applications fully support Latin, non-Latin, and bidirectional scripts in order to enhance equality. Now, this is something to acknowledge on International Translation Day because indirectly it celebrates not just translation, but languages, diversity, multilingualism, and multiculturalism, as well as global peace, understanding, and development. In this, the International Decade of Indigenous Languages. So we celebrate translators, interpreters, and terminologists, their achievements and their craft, whatever their languages. And this 30th of September, FIT sends you its warmest wishes for a very happy International Translation Day. Thank you.